This activity is going to be stretching the muscles of your hip known as your glutes. In order to perform this version, we'll need something elevated like a taller chair or potentially your bed. We'll start by bringing the leg up onto our elevated surface and bringing our hips closer. We want the knee to rest flat, and if you're not able to do so, feel free to rest pillows or towels underneath the knee for support. For some people, this position is enough of a stretch to feel work being performed here. However, if this does not provide enough of a stretch, keeping the chest tall, walk your hands forward until you feel a stretch in the outer part of your hip. Avoid rounding in your back by keeping the chest pointed towards your elevated surface. If you feel any numbness or tingling in your foot, come out of the stretch gently and rest until the feeling fully comes back. Then attempt again. Hold this stretch for a length of time as prescribed by your provider.